So 3 days in the cold, sleeping in the cold, eating in the cold, going to bed in the cold. And I just got I couldn't take the cold anymore. I don't have a count, but normally at night, all the beds are filled. So it's comforting in a way to know that this place exists, to know that you can come and find what you need.
They give us 3 hot meals a day, something that I would do at home. It's overwhelming to be able, especially when look at everybody's stuff out. And I got room. And my man, we got a whole space to not freeze and stay hydrated with clean water.